I remember doing the project where we did a sprint zero on site for one of our first times. We were only, 6-7 months old at the time. And you guys also came across and did a sprint zero, which is how we really kick projects off, as you know. Understanding things like what definition done is, what the ways of working, what dynamics, what the role responsibilities, and within 3 or 4 days coming up with a release plan for cost. I mean, most companies will take 6 to 8 weeks. We know to do that. We did it very, very quickly because, as you just shared, the sales layer we have is super slim because we're a bunch of software engineers now, obviously with a consulting arm, etc., etc. But in essence, that's what we were then.
And you are now, frankly. That's what I'm working with you again. We wanted engineering excellence, and I knew, well, the increasing portfolio of talent you have on the team. So Dan Knight, a former colleague, joining in your fashion vertical was a key attractor for us, because he's been there, done that, got the t-shirt, and a former colleague of mine at Net-a-Porter and not on the high street. So working with you again and with Dan again in a whole new environment in Australia is really exciting.